Welcome. You've arrived at the threshold of a new day. What follows is an audio spell ritual. The veil between what has been and what will unfold is thin in this hour. Morning is a crossroads, and you do not cross it unconsciously. You cross it with intention. Before any spell is cast, the vessel must be steady. Feel your feet upon the floor, or imagine your body rooted. Feel your spine lengthen slightly. Place one hand over your heart, one hand over your lower abdomen. You are earth and breath and fire. You are capable of directing the current of this day. Take a slow breath in. Hold it for a moment. Release. No energy from yesterday is permitted to dictate this morning. Imagine a cool silver mist descending over you. It washes the mind. It clears the chest. It loosens any lingering frustration or unfinished thought. See it drip from your shoulders and dissolve into the ground. Yesterday closes. This day stands untouched. Now imagine a ring of soft golden light forming at your feet. It expands outward until you stand within a radiant circle. This is your dawn circle. Within it, your words carry weight. Your posture carries authority. Your reactions are chosen, not automatic. Whisper inwardly, I claim this day before it claims me. Let your awareness rest toward the east, the direction of first light. Element of air, clarity of thought, steady my mind. Next, to the south, element of fire, spark of action, ignite my will. Now to the west, element of water, flow of emotion, soften my reactions. Finally, to the north, element of earth, ground of stability, anchor my steps. The quarters witness you. The day hears you. Now speak clearly within. Today will be a good day. Not because nothing unexpected will arise, but because I stand aligned within it. See the words inscribed in light before you. Today will be a good day. Each word settles into your body. Imagine now the sun rising higher. Golden light pours over the horizon and enters your circle. It fills your spine with warmth. It brightens your chest. Feel your energy lift. Not frantic, not anxious, but awake, alive, capable. See yourself walking through the coming hours. You pause before reacting. You speak clearly. You notice small blessings. You redirect what wavers. Good days are built in moments, and you are sovereign in those moments. Let these seal into your aura. I move with intention. I respond with clarity. My presence shifts outcomes. Opportunities align with my steadiness. I participate in creating a good day. Repeat once more. Today will be a good day. Feel the difference in your body. The golden circle does not vanish. It folds gently inward, resting just beneath your skin. You carry it. You are not stepping into chaos. You are stepping into a day that has already been consecrated. Take one closing breath. Inhale power. Exhale certainty. The spell is cast, and so it is.